Ignacio.
All right. So we're going to move on to now to the third of these sort of subtractions that it's listed on this page. Okay, that you got, it's on your handout. Now this one's going kind of sideways along the edge, and it's not as tall as the first one. And you can see that it's on the opposite sort of corner from the one that we sliced up. Okay, so the process is exactly the same. You're going to get the dimensions. So when I'm, sorry. So it's the same process that you've been using. So I'm going to line this up so you guys can look at it. But the bottom edge of this cutout comes across here. Lines up with the bottom of this one, right? So another dimension is the height of it. The height is written over here is 7 feet. So that line comes this way, and it comes back 14 feet, and then it comes up 7 and back up this way. So that's the next thing that you have to sort of create, is that piece right there. So so once again, I'm gonna lay it out this time, and I'm just gonna lay it out, and I'm gonna let you guys cut it and figure it out. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to extend this line first, and then run the other line down. Okay, there's those two pieces, and then I'm going to go back 14 foot from that corner right there. So So what I've got to do now is basically cut that piece out. Now, this last one's a little bit trickier than the one up above it. The one up above it, we just sort of pushed that thing up and marked it. For this one, it's going to be a little bit different in that you're going to have to kind of look at it and think about how big each of the pieces is. Okay, so so after you cut this piece out, you know that the distance from this corner in is 7 feet, right? So let me ask a question. How thick is this wall? 9. All right, so it's 9 inches. And so what's 7 feet minus 9 inches? 6'3". So if you take this box and you measure over 6'3", when you put it back in, that final dimension will be correct. Okay? Any questions about that? No? All right. I want to make sure that you guys are aware that I'm not trying to be kind of holding back information. As you guys can see, with everything that I've done, I've been kind of step by step showing you every single step. And right now, I'm stepping back from it a little bit, because if I keep doing every little step and you never have to figure out a problem, right, you're not going to learn. I don't know who it was that said it, but they did research, and they found out that the adult human mind, and you guys are all adults, believe it or not, okay? The adult human mind only really learns when it's confused by something and it has to figure out a way around it. Okay, and so what I'm trying to get you guys to do with this is to figure out what it is that's causing the confusion. Okay? All right, any questions about this? No? I'll talk a little bit more towards the end of the class about the homework for Monday. I'm sorry? For Tuesday, I'm sorry. And one thing that I would like to remind you of is that it might behoove you to take pictures of this before you leave, in case you're still struggling with it, because you won't have it at home with you. Okay? You can take pictures from various angles, take pictures of it together, take pictures of it inside. All right? All right, questions? All right, let's keep going.